In this video, I will present the Inka Instrument Integration Development Kit. The Inka experiment environment contains a set of built-in instruments for basic display of variables in lists and tables, editors for calibrations, and oscilloscope views. But more complex data may benefit from a more customized visualization. For example, consider the type of data collected by an automated driving system. Each object detected has a type, relative coordinates, velocities, trajectories, and other attributes. This data can still be represented as a collection of signals, but there are many, and they may be difficult to interpret in real time based on numeric values alone. A more human-friendly visualization may be preferred. Enter the Inka Instrument Integration Development Kit. This kit is designed to make it easy for users to add custom instrumentation to Inka. Using the kit, you can visualize signals as more than just numbers or graphs. You could use the signals representing coordinates and angles to visualize the position, size, and direction of vehicle objects. You might plot lane and trajectory curves, or visualize relative velocities as vector arrows. Other visual cues can be used to represent additional data. Here, for example, we change the opacity of the vehicle sprites to reflect the reliability factor of object detection, and we tag vehicles with a numeric ID to more easily track them on screen. The Instrument Development Kit provides everything you need to get started developing custom instruments for use in Inka. The kit adds a custom project wizard to Visual Studio. Just create a new project, select the Inka Custom Instrument project type, and follow the prompts to configure the instrument. Give the instrument a name, type, and provider description. Specify whether the instrument will handle multiple variables, a single variable, or no variables at all. Specify what type of signals can be assigned to the instrument, measurements or calibration types. Specify the variable dimensions allowed, scalars, vectors, or multidimensional types. And specify the data types allowed, Boolean, numeric values, or ASCII strings. Optionally, you can add configurable properties to the instrument. Property values can be changed from within the Inka experiment environment and allow runtime configuration. You can add parameters of various types, Boolean values, numeric values, enumerations, and strings. Parameters can also have types that invoke the system color picker, the directory browser, or the file browser to allow the user to select values of these types. When you complete the setup wizard, a new code project is created for you. Inka instruments are .NET components based on Windows Forms. You can use any of the standard Forms components, such as labels, buttons, text, and list boxes. You can also include third-party libraries. We used a third-party drawing library in the ADAS example to generate the lines, arrows, and cars. The code template provides you with examples of everything you need to get started. You get examples of code to handle Inka events, how to get callbacks when measurement variables change, how to change the values of calibration parameters, how to save and restore settings when the experiment environment closes and opens, and more. When you are ready, build your project and it will be automatically installed for use in Inka. The development kit allows you to expand the capabilities of Inka. You can create instruments for complex visualizations, to monitor and react to events or changes in measurement values, to sequence calibration changes, even to interact with other programs. The Inca Instrument Development Kit gives you the convenience and flexibility to imagine and implement your own tools for new calibration control methods and data visualization techniques.